No, again, the ERO visit and the due diligence visit is two different visits. It's two different examinations. You get two different results most of the time. Um, so it's just that thing. Yes, Clifford, yes. They will contact you before they come to your office. Now, I've heard where they might have popped up at somebody's office. And most of the time when they popping up at somebody's office, they've tried to contact you. Okay? They've tried to contact you because they usually have to schedule a time for both of them to actually do the examination. So either examination. So most of the time they don't contact you several times and you just ain't answered. Now they decided they want to come look for you. So that's a lot of times when they be popping up at their office, that's what's going on. And um a lot of this stuff you're supposed to get ready before they even come in. Like these are things that you are supposed to be doing as you preparing taxes. These are not necessarily things that you're supposed to get together prior to them coming. Now, mind you, you should check behind yourself to make sure you dotted all your I's and crossed all your T's to make sure your stuff is in order. To make sure whatever visit they come to do, that it can be a quick, easy visit. They can come in and get on out or whatever. But ultimately, a lot of this stuff you should have already done prior to them coming in. And that's why, like, I encourage you all, for anybody who can attend my in-person boot camp that's happening next month, to be in the building. Okay? Because ultimately, these examinations are not slowing down. You will hear, like, again, people in these groups, people don't know no better. They'll be saying, oh, they're just doing that so they can make some money. Well, first of all, we are in business to make money. Whatever I'm talking about on this internet, most of the time I give a lot of free game. But what we talk about on this internet, we are here to make money. But the purpose of any entrepreneur is to solve a problem. Okay, so my goal, and when it comes to due diligence, is solving the problem of people getting fined. Stop helping people stop getting fined, and stop people having to spend money to have somebody represent them, because both of them cost thousands of dollars. And even though I might eventually do representation, and I do charge to help people get prepared, I'm still not going to promote it. I'd rather you not pay me. I'd rather you pay for a class and learn how to do it on your own versus you pay me to represent you. That's just me though. But if you can make it into the boot camp for next month, and I'm talking about you don't understand like how this stuff works, then I encourage you to do it, because um it used to be where they would just do it most of the time at the end of the year. You know what I'm saying? Like when fall come in, they'll send the letters, due diligence letters, and then they might do some visits here and there. But these last, I want to say since COVID, baby, they just off the chain. Like they all in tax season doing them. They don't even wait to the fall anymore.